In today's video, I will teach you how to make a pop art effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, make a new layer by clicking on the new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel, or simply hit Shift-Ctrl-N on your keyboard. Now, create a new fill or adjustment layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the layers panel, and choose solid color. Here, you can choose which color your background is going to be. Then, make sure that the new layer is at the bottom of the subject layer. Now, in the menu bar, click on the Filters tab and select Filters Gallery. Here, choose the halftone pattern and make sure to set the pattern type to dot and adjust the settings to your liking. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and click OK. Then, select the subject layer and set its blending mode to overlay. If the color of the background doesn't look good with the blending mode, you can still adjust the color by double-clicking on the color layer. And once you're satisfied, you can now create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Threshold. Make sure to clip the adjustment layer to the subject layer by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and click on the line in between the adjustment layer and the subject layer. Now, in the Adjustments panel, you can play around with the threshold value that suits your image. To add some pop of color, select the subject layer, and in the toolbar, click on the Pen tool and select the areas that you would like to have some pop of color. Once you're done making a path, right-click on it and select Make a Selection. Now, make a new layer, drag it to the top of the layer, and clip it to the subject layer by holding down the Alt key while clicking on the line in between the layers, and fill the selection with the color that you would like to add using the Fill Bucket tool. Lastly, select the blending option that suits you and resize the layer to blend the edges. And there you go. You now have a pop art image in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.